These are the elevators at Whole Foods Market, Midtown Tampa, Florida. As you can see, Whole Foods Market, Midtown Tampa. I believe these are Schindler 3300 XLs. I don't know which one we're gonna get. This one. Go on 2. As you can see, there's escalators, and there's actually a cart escalator out there. No chime. We're at 2. We're gonna go back down to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. Also, here are some rules for Midtown Tampa. As you can see here, no photography or videography of any commercial use, but video is acceptable for non-commercial and non-disruptive purposes. So, they allow photography here and videography. We're going to do a cab view. So yeah, again, these are Schindler 3300 XLs. Not sure what year these were installed, but they look pretty new. Alright, we're going to switch to the other car up here. So as you can see, this is a parking garage. It says P1 right there, although this is level 2. And again, that's where the parking garage escalator comes out on the other side. The other elevator might not be working if it's not here. So, CCTV news. It does work. Again, same sign in here. £4,500 capacity. We're going to take one more ride. Here's your inspection certificate. We're going to end it down at 1. So something interesting, there's another bank of elevators that goes straight from 1 to 3 and skips 2. I'm going to ride those next. And that'll be it.